guys, so again today guys we have a new sneaker vlog guys. So again, this is the last release from February guys. The new sneaker that we have is similar with the previous sneakers that we did in a box. It's a Nike Dunk Low. Again guys, before the last sneakers that we box is the Nike Cobalt guys. It's the Dunk Cobalt. So today we have another sneakers, another pair from Nike Dunk. We have the Nike Dunk Low College Navy or Wolf Gray. Actually, this is a Georgetown Colorway guys. So let's check guys, let's unbox. Again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we upload regarding photography, videography, and my personal sneaker guys. So again guys, let's unbox now the sneakers. So again, from the box, it's a typical box of the Nike type of box. It's a red color again, W release or women's release guys. So again, if you have a size 9 or your size of your sneakers of your feet, again you need to add 1.5 of your size, your actual size, so it will pair or it will fit on your, for example I have size 9 on my feet, then just add 1.5 size for your, if you want to cap the women's release. This is a 10.5 in male size or men's size. This is size 9. So let's check and unbox now guys. So ayan, kita natin yung papel, mabango-bango. So ito, mayroon pang dito. I want to say thank you and shout out to Rendal Joseph. So ayan, shout out sa iyo Pops, maraming salamat sa ating pair. Etong FB account niya, so check nyo na lang kung gusto nyong bumili ng sneakers, na high sneakers o magandang sneakers na gusto nyo, check nyo na lang yung FB account ni Rendal Joseph. Pops, maraming salamat. Eto na, unbox na natin. Oh, di ba? Astig siya guys, kulay pa lang, inamoy talaga. Hindi siya may rugby guys. Di ba? So ayan, check na natin ang ating pair ng sneakers. At i-compare din natin sa ibang mga pair natin ng SB Dunk. Check natin, you have also a extra lace. It's a white color lace. And you have the metallic silver of finish lace. Ito, metallic silver lace guys. So, ayan, ang ganda nga ng colorway. Ang ganda ng, it's different when you have in your hand guys, the pair. So, I like the pair guys. Ganda ng colorway niya. Sa photo hindi siya ganun ka-attractive, but in your hand guys, it's very nice, cool, and actually this is a Georgetown colorway guys. Ayun, shout out again to kay Pops Rendal at binigyan tayo ng idea. This is a colorway, is a Georgetown colorway. Again, this colorway is a Georgetown colorway type guys. You have your navy leather base, something ganon na may blue, then your ito silver na to, silver ba to, gray something. It's a gray overlay. Ito nga yung overlay natin. It's a gray overlay from the blue or navy blue and wolf gray. And I don't know why they call it wolf gray, but yeah. So the swoosh also guys, it's a wolf gray. Ayan, yung tang natin, it's also and the leather guys, the leather is amazing. I think it's similar with our Syracuse. Yeah, I can compare with the Syracuse guys. It's very comfy and ayan, malambot siya guys. So it's similar with the Syracuse natin, the leather niya. So ayan guys, pati yung niya. And ito yung ating midsole, it's white color. It's a white color. And again guys, for the outsole, it's a translucent type guys. Yan, translucent siya. Okay guys, so ayan, let's compare with the previous Dunk that we have. First, we have the Panda. Yun. So, actually, they release on this same month. Tama ba? February. Ayan. Sa leather, guys, I think this is way better leather quality. But, not say this is bad, but they have a good colorway, both of these. But, the leather quality, still, I like the leather quality of this Wolf Gray or the College Navy. Yun. And again, similar with the Cobalt and Panda, they have the same leather that they use. Even for the lace, they have the same lace and leather that they use. So ayan, so maybe I can compare with the Syracuse, guys. So because the leather quality of the Syracuse is similar with this college navy that we have from the swoosh and yeah, the overlays leather, which is the orange color. It's similar, guys. It's soft type of leather. So ayun nga, guys, ayun, again, this is released from Asia and Europe, I think, last February 25 for the retail price of $100 US. But today I'm not sure how much in the resale price. So yan, kung makahanap kayo ng resale price ngayon nito, ewan ko lang kung magkano. So let's check, maybe you can a good price for a resale price. So I think this is a good pair, guys. So if you want to, but for me, I like to rock this pair. Gusto ko saan suotin, gusto ko saan on foot, but not maybe one day we'll make an on foot separate vlog and on foot on these sneakers and this pair, guys. So ayan, but today we have, ayan, I'm just unboxing and first impression of this pair. And guys, I like the pair, I like the colorway, the gray and the blue. Maganda siya, guys. And the red color of this from the tongue, yan, and the translucent of the, it's good, guys. So I think that's it for today. So ayan, shoutout ko lang ulit. Again, I want to shoutout Rendal Joseph for our pair. So again, guys, from Kuwait, if you want to have a pair or if you want a good high pair sneakers, you can check or you can send a message or DM Joseph Rendal to his FB account. So ito yung FB account niya. Check nyo lang si Rendal, baka meron siya ibang mga pair doon na gusto nyo. So ayun, and I think yun lang. I think that's it for today. Again, guys, I have a vlog, previous vlog, electronic scooter with Julius regarding the Zoom Zero 10X scooter. So check nyo rin yung, guys. So I think that's it for today, and I want to flex again my team, which is a Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin and member ng Team Positive. At syempre ang ating director na marami na tayong ilaw. Nag-evolve na tayo, guys. Nag-upgrade na tayo. May marami na tayong camera dito. At mga ilaw-ilaw. So again, guys, shoutout kay Brian Puntara. Nandun na sa sulok. So again, guys, thank you very much and mabuhay.